Hey guys, this is Jam of JeromeChannel.com and meron na naman tayo unbox. Yes, meron na naman. And it's the Cherry Mobile Razr 2. One of the slimmest smartphone. Actually, this is the slimmest yata smartphone ng Cherry Mobile up to this day. The slimmest sobrang nipis niya. Matutuwa ka, sobrang nipis niya. Mamaya makikita niyo. So, what's inside? It has a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor powered by Snapdragon. Snapdragon 200 with Adreno 305 GPU. 3G of course, we have a 12 megapixel rear camera and then 2 megapixel front camera. There's a 4.7 inch HD IPS display. So maganda siya. There's a 4 gig of internal storage and a gig of RAM. And yung glass na protected siya ng Dragon Trail glass. So medyo interesting yung glass niya. And medyo hindi ko mag-aalala sa protection, di ba? And then of course, wow, okay, so dual SIM na yung Razr 2.0. I'm not sure if the first Razr was single SIM, pero this one, it's dual SIM na siya. So, yun. So, I guess it's time to unbox the Razr 2. It looks, wow, sexy and sleek and very, very thin. So, tara, unbox na natin ang Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. It's 2 without 0.0. Okay guys, so here's the Cherry Mobile Razr 2 without the 0.02 with the parang blade design. Anyway, so this is one of the thinnest smartphone ng Cherry Mobile. Probably this is the thinnest one. Sobrang nipis niya. Okay, so let's unbox. Bilisan na natin ang pag-unbox kasi excited na ako. So, here's the Cherry Mobile Razr 2. Okay, this is so thin. Incredibly thin. Mamaya natin pag-usapan to. So inside the box, agis na yan, galit ako. This is the battery, rated at 1780, 1780, okay, no problem. Okay, so just like the Cherry Mobile Superior 94, meron siya ng parang micro USB to USB something na keychain na ewan na maliit. So yan no. Pero hindi to yung pinaka main niya, freebie lang to, freebie. Okay, so Haggis. Then we have of course, the USB cable and the earphones. And of course, ang mahiwagang charger, ang napakahalagang, sobrang halagang charger. Okay, so manual. Wala na. Ayan, manual. Hagis ko sana kasi galit ako. Anyway, yan. Hagis natin lahat. Ayan, hagis ko rin to. Ayan, hagis ko na lahat. So, this is the Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. My favorite part. Pagtanggal ng plastic. Tanggalin na natin ang plastic. Sarap. Sarap na. Anyway, so lalagay ko na yung battery niya sa Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. Yan. Madali lang siya tanggalin. Sobrang nipis niya. Alam niyo, sobrang gaan niya and sobrang nipis niya. Magugulat ka sa sobrang nipis niya. Hindi mo kalain na ganito siya kanipis. Mas manipis. Ito, isa sa mga pinakamanipis kong smartphone na nagamit. Ang Cherry Mobile Razr. Razr, not Razr. Razr is a brand. Razr is a phone. Razr 2. So, yan. Lagay ko, yung medyo mahigpit. Yan, so inside dual SIM siya, katulad nga sinabi ko kanina. But I guess it's micro SIM? I guess it's micro SIM na siya. Both are micro SIM and we have micro SD card slot here. Isa GSM, isa WCDMA, so isa lang yung may 3G. Then we have the camera of course, and LED flash, okay. I don't care. Basta LED flash. So, sara ako na. Okay, sara na ba siya? Actually, I think sara na siya. So, buksan ko na. Alam nyo, ang ganda ng design ng Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. Napaka-simple niya, napaka-sleek niya, and sobrang nipis niya. So, ano muna tayo? Walk through ako sa device. So, we have a 4.7 IPS display here. It's HD. We have the camera here. I guess here's the sensor. And medyo maganda yung pagkaka-place ng earpiece and yung design niya. Hindi ko alam kung kita niyo, pero it's really nice. Ayan. Maganda yung design niya sa taas. And then, sa baba, we have, okay. So, we have a buttons na circle na siya. Then, dalawang dot. It's probably the back and menu button. And then, off ko muna. Sa likod, we have a patterned plastic design. Pero, hindi naman siya feel cheap. Hindi naman siya cheap. And, meron siyang parang design na crow, na parang bakal na, pero hindi siya bakal. I'm not sure kung kita niya, pero, yeah, ayan.
ayaw sa inyo, sa totoo lang. Ayan. So, that's the design of the Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. So, baba, we have the speaker grill, microphone earpiece siguro dyan, micro USB sa taas, 3.5 audio jack, maliliit na button sa volume rocker, and power button. Ayan. So, napansin ko lang pag medyo lumulubog yung ano niya, sa totoo, parang lumulubog yung ano niya, yung buttons niya, kasi aliliit niya and sobrang nipis. So, parang pag pinapress ko siya, parang lumulubog siya. Well, sa totoo hindi siya lumulubog, pero parang feel mo, parang lulubog siya sooner or later. Yan, lumubog nga siya. Pero tumataas uli siya. Hindi ko siya mapindot dito, pero pipindutin ko yung top. Yan, so try nga natin if nandun na tayo sa ano. So, up, down, up, down. So, well, hindi naman siya nag-hold, pero it's quite annoying na baka sooner or later nga baka masira yung phone mo. And again, meron din siyang start na lock screen, just like no other Cherry Mobile. The Super 94 doesn't have one. Ayan. So, Cherry Mobile. So, ayan. So, smooth naman siya. The quad-core processor inside it is quite smooth. And sarap niya gamitin kasi Adreno 305 na siya compared sa dating Snapdragon 200. We have an FM radio. The radio kill, the radios are anyway, blah blah blah. That's the FM radio. Maganda yung display niya. It's IPS, so ang ganda ng viewing angles niya. It's not that bad. I really like yung thinness niya and sleeky, sexy design ng Razr 2.0. It's not a wala na yung metal design na Razr. Pero it's really nice to use. Maganda yung display niya. Okay, SIM card, Wi-Fi, blah blah blah. Hotspot, GPS, blah blah. Okay, so medyo masarap siya gamitin. There's nothing unique here in the software. Let's check it out kung Android 4.3. Yes, it's Android 4.3. The storage, it's 4 gig. I guess it's 4 gig. Yes, it's 4 gig. 4 gig, yes. Kasi 1.58. So, I guess, try natin yung micro SD susunod. Next time. KakaoTalk, Opera Mini, well, that's messages, blah, blah. So, try camera. Okay, so yung camera niya. Okay, so, I'm not sure about the camera, pero, okay, so, oh, masyadong maliwanag yung camera niya with flash. Okay, so I guess ganun nga, masyadong maliwanag, pero yeah, it's still the first unboxing and first impression lang naman. We'll check this out later again. So, mamaya natin siya i-review. Mamaya ko siya i-review. Saka ko siya i-review. Abangan nyo sa jeromanchata.com. So, I guess that's it muna sa unboxing and hands-on ng Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. Sabi ng walang 0.0, okay? Walang 0.0 jam. Walang 0.0. So, this is the Cherry Mobile Razr without the 0.0 but with 2. Without the 0.0. So once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, well, mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel ko. So once again, I'm Jam of jeromanchata.com and this is the unboxing and hands-on of the Cherry Mobile Razr 2.0. So see you guys on my next video.